9 minus 9 gives us 0, and 9 minus 9 again gives us 0, and 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0, or just we can't divide any number by 0, or this is kind of a very messy math, right? And of course this is not the correct solution nor the correct answer. So let's get into the problem deep. So to solve this problem we have to know and remember one math rule, which is PEMDAS. So I did write here. So here P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So in mathematical expression like this, when we encounter this, to get the correct answer, first we have to solve the parentheses. Parentheses are brackets and curvy looking groups like this. These all are called parentheses, and we have to solve them first, and then we have to solve the exponent, and then the multiplication or division, and then finally the addition and subtraction. So in this rule, if we solve subtraction before division, it is wrong, because multiplication and division have a greater priority than addition or subtraction. So this is their priority. I'm going to write the priority on top of them. So for P, it is the first thing to solve, and exponent is the second thing to solve, and the third thing to solve is multiplication and division, and at last we have to solve addition and subtraction. So this is their priority. So let's go back into our problem and solve the equation. So here we have a subtraction, another subtraction and division. So according to the rule, we have to solve the division before subtraction. So 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 9 minus 1 minus 9 is going to be the next thing we are going to solve, and 9 minus 9 gives us 8, right? So 8 minus 9 gives us -1. So the final answer to this question is -1.